Well, Signature Walls is a decorative finishing company, and we specialise in using Venetian Plaster Microcement, decorative paint finishes, concretes and liquid metals.
Now, I had a vision when I was a painter that I wanted something that was a bit different from your average painted walls. So then I come across Venetian polished plaster on a job that I was working on in Mayfair and got very inspired by what you could achieve from these plasters.
So that opened a whole world of creativity and possibilities in the world of surface design and finishing. Once we started diving down that rabbit hole and realised the true extent of what was possible, we both got really excited.
We could then create one-off walls, luxury finishes or decorative paints. It all just depends on what you was trying to achieve, and the end result is very impactful and it can bring your whole space together.
So fast forward to today, and we've grown Signature Walls into a national brand that serves both homeowners in the high-end and super prime real estate market, as well as the commercial sector. So we're able to bring clients' visions to life in a way that's accurate and super personalised to them on whatever surface they've got. So the brand values for Signature Walls, first and foremost, creativity is at the heart of everything we do.
Attention to detail is a very high key factor to have. Reliability and consistency in producing high-end finishes.
We're also very approachable, and we'd like to think that our team is as well. Plus, we're dog friendly.
Signature Walls is different from many companies. We have a showroom that has everything on offer, from microcement, Venetian plasters, polished plasters, etc. We even have wallpapers. So depending on what wall covering that you're looking for, we've got you covered.
One of our key differentiation factors is the accumulative or collective skill set. Both of us, as well as Maura, our in-house designer. So we bring a vast wealth of expertise, creative insight and experience to the table, helping you to look at your project peripherally, but also focused on the details that matter. So for clients that don't already have a designer, we're able to bridge that gap, understand what it is that's in your head and how you want to bring it to life in a way that's meaningful and right for the space. So we do that using our collective of expertise plus our own proprietary system to get to the bottom of it.
When there is a designer in situ and we're collaborating with on a project currently, we are a team player, an expert in the field, and we understand how designers operate. We've got a passion for plaster and bringing surfaces to life.
So first and foremost, I believe the world's a better place when we live in a design-led world. It's not about flat, boring or dull surfaces, but in fact creating more of a tactile experience so you can have a richer and more experiential or emotive journey through surfaces.
So with a passion for plasters, we love going in at the end project and seeing the finished results with all the complementary soft furnishings, worktops, etc. and beyond to all tie into the design thing. It brings everything together, really stands out, and then you can see our decorative coatings really stand out from your average paint job.
So really it's that moment, that reaction and that wow factor response that you're going to get from the client the minute they open the door for the first time and they're hit with that awe-inspiring surface. And then we were going to talk about something. What was the